Good morning, dear students. So, from exercise 13.3, let us take question number 2 now. Metallic spheres of radii 6, 8 and 10 respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So, dear students, here we have got 3 spheres, okay, and its radius is suppose r1. This radius is r1. This radius is suppose r2. This radius is r3. So this r1 is given as 6 centimeter, r2 is given as 8 centimeter, and r3 is given as 10 centimeter. So 6, 8, 10. R3 is 10 centimeter. Means all the 3 radii are given, and if we melt them, means if we combine them to form a little bigger size sphere, because when all the 3 will be combined by melting, these are metallic spheres made of metals. So we can melt them and we can form a new one. Okay, new one. In that new one, the radius will be, what will be the length of this radius? We have to say that. Okay, no? So you are combining 3 volumes to form a new volume. So you have to write here, we can say like this. Here R1 is 6, R2 is 8, R3 is 10. And let R4 is the radius of the 4th sphere, radius of the 4th one, 4th sphere. Therefore, according to question, volume of the 4th one, because each volume will be the sum of the volume of these 3. So we'll write like this: volume of 4th sphere is equal to volume of sum of the volumes of all the first 3. No, sum of the volumes of the first 3 spheres. You understand this part? So here we will write now like this: volume of the 4th sphere, 4 by 3 pi r4 cube. Volume formula of sphere is equal to volume of the sum of the volumes of the first 3. First one is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, plus second one is 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. You are understanding now? Volume of this one plus volume of this one, all the 3 will add. So like this, plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Okay. Now, dear students, you might have noticed here some common factors. 4 by 3 pi. So 4 by 3 pi is common here. So if we take this 4 by 3 pi common, 4 by 3 pi common from this right hand side, it will be like this: 4 by 3 pi common, then inside bracket we will have r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Okay, so here it is 4 by 3 pi r4 cube. Okay, so then 4 by 3 from both sides cancelled. 4 by 3 will get cancelled because 4 by 3 is in the left hand side, 4 by 3 in the right hand side. Both are cancelled. Okay, then pi also getting cancelled from both sides. So we have only here r4 cube is equal to r1 cube. R1 is what? 6. R2 is what? 8. R3 is what? 10. Then r4 cube is equal to 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 64, 512 plus 10 cube is 1000. So if we add this all, then 2, 6, 8, 1, 2, that is 2, then 2, 5, 7, then 1, 1728. And you know, this is the cube of 12 cube. And then r4 cube, because in the left hand side, why we are writing it as 12 cube? Because left hand side is in cubic form, then the right hand side number also we are writing in cubic form. So r4 cube is 12 cube. Then by taking the cube root of both sides, what we will get? Cube root of r4 cube is equal to cube root sign. This is cube root sign. Here if you write a 3, inside this cap, then it will be called cube root. So 12 cube. So cube root will get cancelled with this one power 3, so it will be R4 is equal to cube root will get cancelled with this power 3, then it will be 12. So what you got? Therefore radius of the fourth sphere is equal to 12 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay, dear students, this is our answer. Look at question number 3 now. A 20 meter deep well which diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. See, dear students, a well will be in the form of a cylinder, no? So this the earth that is taken out from this well will be spread to form a platform. It will be like this. Suppose the earth that is out from here, it is used to make a platform of this shape. This is the platform. In what shape the platform we are getting? It is a cuboid. So a cuboid has got length, breadth and height. So the length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid and the height of the cuboid, if we multiply, we will get its volume, and that volume will be equal to the volume of this cylinder, means the well. So in this case we will have to think that way, that one cylinder is actually converted into a cuboid. That is the question all about. Here the depth of the well, that is height of the well. Height of the well is given as 20 meter. 20 meter, and the diameter of the well, diameter is for the well, the h is 20 and diameter is 7 meter. So radius will be 7 by 2 meter. Okay, that is radius. Now question is here, the platform, this is length of the platform. For the platform we can say like this, L is length of the platform. Length is given as 22 meter, and the breadth is given as 14 meter. Okay, so then we are asked what is the height of the, height of the platform is, this is a height, this is height 1, suppose this is breadth is 14. Okay, and this is length is 22. Here you understand, this is diameter is 7, and this is height of the, that is depth of the well, 20 meter. So here we need what is this h1, means height of the platform, height of the platform, height of the platform. So according to question, volume of platform is equal to volume of well. So volume of platform will be length into breadth into height 1 is equal to volume of well. Volume of well is what? Pi r square h. Okay, so here we can put the values like this. Length of the platform is 22, breadth is 14, height is h1 unknown, pi 22 by 7, and r means radius of the well, that is 7 by 2. Since it is square, you write 7 by 2 two times, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, then into the h is height of the well, that is 20 meter. So this is the whole thing about. So now dear students, you see some of the numbers you can cancel like this only. 22 from here, 22 from here, cancel, because 22 when it will go to the right hand side it will become denominator, and that denominator and this numerator cancel. So from here we can write h is equal to h1, that is a height of the platform. 14 you take to the right hand side, and this 7 you can cancel with this 7. So you have, and this 2 also you can cancel with this 20, that is 10 times. So we have here 7 multiplied by 10 divided by this 2, and this 14 comes here into 14 here. So by 7 you can cancel this one, 7 to the, by this 2 you can cancel this one, 5 times, so 5 by 2 meter, or 5 by 2 meter can also be written as 2.5 meter. So required height of the what called platform, required height of the platform is equal to 2.5 meter. This is our answer. Okay, dear students. So today your homework will be question number 4 and 5. That is your homework. Try question number 4 and 5. This is your homework. Okay, dear students. Thank you and have a nice day.